Hey everyone, welcome back to English Haven Podcast. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ethan, your friendly neighborhood language nerd, who still can't make eye contact for more than 3 seconds.
That's actually a good start for today's topic, flirting in English the natural way.
Oh, great. My area of expertise, said no one ever.
Haha, don't worry, Ethan. Flirting isn't about being smooth. It's about being fun and confident.
So basically, I've been doing it wrong my whole life.
Probably, but that's why we're here, to fix your flirting skills and teach our listeners a few tricks along the way.
Perfect. Let's start by defining flirting before I embarrass myself further.
All right, flirting is when you talk to someone in a playful, lighthearted way to show friendly interest. It's not serious, it's just sparkly conversation.
Sparkly conversation. I like that. Sounds like something I'd buy at the Starbucks. Hi, can I get one venti sparkly conversation?
Exactly. You'd probably get free whipped cream, but that charm.
Finally, a benefit of my awkwardness.
Anyway, flirting in English is really about tone, humor, and confidence, not cheesy pickup lines.
Right, because Are You From Heaven is officially retired.
Yeah, that line died in 1995. May it rest in peace.
So what should people actually say?
Keep it natural. Like, you have a really nice smile. I like your energy. You're fun to talk to. Or, my favorite, are you always this funny or is it just today?
Nice. My favorite one is, you see my trouble. It works about 30% of the time, but that's a good betting average.
Haha, depends who you say it to.
Yeah, maybe don't try it on your boss.
Or your English teacher.
Noted.
Let's show how natural flirting sounds. Imagine we just met at a coffee shop.
Okay, I'll try not to spill my coffee this time.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, but there's a good conversation tax.
Oh, really? How much?
Just one good story about yourself.
Well, I once tried to cook pasta without water. Does that count?
Wow, that's bold, romantic, and dangerous.
More like smoky and disastrous.
Perfect first date material.
See, that's exactly how you flirt in English. Keep it light, funny, and easygoing.
Right. No drama, no pressure, just a little fun.
And always remember, if you're smiling while talking, people can actually hear it in your voice.
True, unless you're texting, then you need the metric of emojis.
Yes, the international language of winking faces.
A simple winky can change everything.
It can turn "you're late" into "you're cute, but late."
Exactly.
Let's talk about what not to do.
No, boy. My favorite section.
Rule number 1, never comment on someone's body. Compliment their style, smile, or energy instead.
So, nice shoes equals good. Nice legs equals police report.
Precisely.
Rule number 2, don't try too hard. If you sound like you memorize lines from the movie, it won't feel natural.
Yeah, unless that movie is Shrek.
Hey, Shrek was smooth in his own way.
True. Confidence comes in many shapes, even green ones.
Rule 3, know when to stop. Flirting is like seasoning food. Too little is boring, too much and it's uncomfortable.
That's the best metaphor ever. Flirt responsibly.
Exactly. One pinch of charm, not the whole salt shaker.
Perfect. Let's try another example. Imagine we meet at a friend's party.
Okay, I'm holding a drink and pretending to look interesting.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Ethan.
Hi, Ethan. I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
You have a mysterious look. Are you secretly a spy or something?
Maybe. But if I told you, it'd have to disappear.
Well, I'm already impressed and slightly terrified.
See, it's all about quick, witty replies.
Yeah, timing is everything. And confidence doesn't mean being perfect. It means being comfortable with imperfection.
Like when I mispronounce rendezvous every single time.
That's charming. Flaws can be cute.
So basically, my whole personality is a flirting advantage.
Lucky you.
Let's also talk about cultural awareness.
Yes, in English-speaking cultures, flirting is often subtle. Too much intensity can feel pushy.
So the goal is to make people smile, not blush uncontrollably.
Exactly. I think one of the best phrases is, "you're easy to talk to." That's my favorite too. It's warm and open.
Right. Or saying, I like your vibe. It's modern and casual.
And it works for both friends and dates.
So, Sophia, how would you flirt with someone shy?
I'd use humor. Maybe something like, don't worry, I'm only slightly awkward today.
Okay, that's perfect. It shows you're human.
Exactly. Self-irony is attractive because it feels real.
Okay, time for our lightning round flirting fails.
Oh, yes. Please share your disasters.
Once I told someone, you smell like my favorite candle. Turns out to hate candles.
That's tragic.
My friend once said, you're the reason Wi-Fi exists. I still don't understand that one.
Maybe it means you make their heart connect faster.
That's generous. Yeah, Bobby just means I'm bad at compliments. So yeah, people, avoid weird metaphors.
Stick to simple, honest compliments.
Like, you have a great laugh. Everyone loves hearing that.
True. And laughter is contagious. The good kind.
That's right. Flirting in English isn't about perfect grammar. It's about connection.
And sometimes a shared laugh is the best sentence of all.
Okay, time to wrap up. Let's give our listeners some quick tips.
Number 1, flirting is friendly energy, not romance.
Number 2, humor beats pickup lines every time.
Number 3, smile. It changes your voice instantly.
Number 4, keep compliments simple and genuine.
Number 5, know your limit. Don't overdo it.
And number 6, if you're nervous, admit it. It's cute.
Exactly. Nobody hates honesty. So, Sophie, did we just flirt for 20 minutes straight? I think we did. Professionally, of course.
Of course, it's all for education.
Education has never sounded this fun.
You know, Sophie, we've talked about flirting a lot, but what if we actually test our skills?
Oh no, are you suggesting a live demonstration?
Absolutely. Listeners love drama. Let's create a flirting challenge.
Okay, what's the rule?
We each get 2 scenarios, one easy, one difficult. You have to show how you'd flirt naturally in each one.
Sounds terrifying. You start.
All right. Scenario 1, you meet someone at a bookstore. Go.
Softly. Hey, I notice you're holding my favorite book. I'm not saying it means we're soulmates, but it's a strong start.
That's smooth. I'd probably just panic and say, books are good.
Classic Ethan. Okay, your turn. You're at a coffee shop.
Easy. I'd offer to buy you coffee, but it looks like you already have great taste.
That's actually good. See, you're improving.
Wait till you hear my difficult one. Scenario 2, you're flirting over Zoom.
Oh, out the 2020 classic. Okay. Pretending to wave at camera. Hey, your Wi-Fi strong, but your smile's stronger.
Nice. That's perfect for long distance vibes.
And yours?
If this call freezes, just know it's because my heart skipped a beat.
That's so cheesy. It loops back to being cute.
Exactly. So bad it's good energy.
But seriously, flirting isn't just what you say, it's how you read the other person's energy.
Right, like if they're smiling, leaning in, keeping eye contact, you're probably doing great.
But if they're glancing at their phone, giving short answers, it might be time to back off politely.
Yep, rule of thumb, if it feels like an interview, it's not flirty anymore.
True, flirting is like a ping pong game, light back and forth.
And no one likes playing ping pong alone.
Unless you're training for the Olympics of awkwardness.
Yeah, I'm already a gold medalist.
Let's talk about flirting around the world for a minute.
Yes, because flirting in English doesn't mean the same thing everywhere English is spoken.
Exactly. For example, in the UK, people often flirt with sarcasm. Teasing gently is a sign of interest.
So if a British person says you're not as boring as I expected, that's probably a compliment.
Totally. In the US, flirting tends to be more direct and energetic. People use more smiles, compliments, and casual jokes.
Meanwhile, in Australia, it's all about
without humor. If someone is making fun of you playfully, they probably like you.
And in Canada, people are polite even while flirting. Sorry, but you're kind of adorable, hey?
That's so true. Cultural flavor makes a big difference.
Yeah, so listeners, pay attention to how people around you express friendliness. It might be flirting or just kindness.
Exactly. Don't confuse politeness with romantic interest.
Absolutely. Okay, one more practice theme. You're at work, tricky territory.
Super tricky. You need extra boundaries there.
So maybe something like, you always make Monday meetings less painful.
That's safe, funny, and kind. I like it.
What about this? You have a good sense of humor even before coffee.
Perfect balance, friendly, not flirty heavy.
Exactly. Workplace greeting should always feel respectful and professional.
And if in doubt, just don't. Keep it friendly, not flirty.
Absolutely. Before we wrap up, we got some listener questions.
Oh, yes, I love this part.
First question, can you flirt in English if you're not fluent yet?
100%. You don't need perfect grammar to be charming. A smile, confidence, and kind words go a long way.
And sometimes a little accent makes you even more attractive.
Totally agree. Second question, how do I know if someone is flirting with me?
Great one. Look for repeated compliments like teasing or playful questions like, so, do you always come here?
Or if they find reasons to keep talking, that's a clue.
Exactly. If they're investing time and attention, that's a strong sign.
And our final question, what's the biggest flirting mistake?
Easy. Trying too hard to impress.
Right, the goal isn't to perform, it's to connect.
You know, that's actually kind of beautiful. Don't perform, connect. We should print that on t-shirts.
Ha, yes, flirt to connect, not to impress. It's catchy.
And imagine people walking around with that written across their chest. That's like advanced flirting already.
Exactly. The shirt does have to work.
But seriously, I think a lot of learners get nervous because they think flirting in another language has to be perfect.
Right. But honestly, imperfect English can be really charming. It shows effort and authenticity.
Totally. Like if someone says, your smile make my day, nobody's going to correct the grammar. They're just going to melt.
Exactly. Emotion always beats perfection.
You know what else helps? Curiosity. Ask questions, show interest, keep the other person talking.
Yeah, because when people talk about themselves, they relax and connection happens naturally.
Like instead of saying you're cute, try what's something that always makes you smile? Same energy, but deeper.
Ooh, that's actually a great line. Stealing that from my future students.
Please teach the next generation wisely.
I'll try. For flirting in English really is just friendly storytelling.
True. It's like sharing tiny pieces of yourself. Funny stories, little mistakes, favorite things.
Yeah, that's why humor works so well. It's not just funny, it's vulnerable. You're saying, hey, I'm human too.
Exactly. And people respond to that honesty.
Yeah, you know what else helps? Curiosity. Ask questions, show interest, keep the other person talking.
Yeah, because when people talk about themselves, they relax and connection happens naturally.
Like instead of saying, you're cute, try what's something that always makes you smile. Same energy, but deeper.
Ooh, that's actually a great line. Stealing that from my future students.
Please teach the next generation wisely.
I'll try, but flirting in English really is just friendly storytelling.
True. It's like sharing tiny pieces of yourself. Funny stories, little mistakes, favorite things.
Yeah, that's why humor works so well. It's not just funny, it's vulnerable. You're saying, hey, I'm human too.
Exactly. And people respond to that honesty.
You know, sometimes the best flirting moment is when you both laugh at something silly together.
Oh, yeah, the instant friendship moment. You go from strangers to teammates in 5 seconds.
Yes, it's that spark. Not romantic necessarily, but genuine connection.
I remember once someone told me, you have a funny way of looking at things. I still think about that compliment.
See, that's the power of a small, sincere line. You never forget it.
So true. Words are tiny souvenirs so people carry around.
Wow, that's poetic. Careful, even. You're getting smooth.
Finally, took me an entire episode to level up.
Don't worry, it suits you. Thanks. So, if we had to give one final piece of advice to our listeners, what would it be?
I'd say flirt with life first.
Wait, what did that mean?
It means if you enjoy your surroundings, your day, your coffee, your laughter, that energy shows when you talk to people.
Oh, I love that. Like, happiness is contagious.
Exactly. You can't fake that kind of glow.
So basically, if before flirting with someone else, fall a little in love with your own life.
Perfectly said. You're on fire today.
I know. I almost sound like a TED Talk.
Ethan, the science of smooth.
Coming soon to a YouTube thumbnail near you.
Okay, Professor Flirt. Let's actually end on a light note. What's the best compliment you've ever received?
Someone once said you make people feel comfortable. That one stuck.
Oh, that's such a meaningful one. Mine was that you laugh with your whole face.
That's so true, though. You have a full face laugh. It's impossible not to smile back.
Thank you. See, compliments don't have to be grand, just honest.
Yeah, sometimes you make this place brighter is better than any poem.
Totally. I think we've come full circle.
We really did, from awkward flirting to life philosophy.
As always.
So, dear listeners, go out there, be playful, be kind, and remember that English is more than grammar, it's connection.
Beautiful. And hey, if anyone flirts with you after listening to this, we expect credit.
Yes, tag us. Hashtag Flirt in English Challenge.
I can already imagine the chaos.
Me too, and I love it.
And that's it for today's episode of English Haven Podcast.
We hope you had fun, learned a few new phrases, and maybe even smiled a little.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that like button, leave us a comment, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
Your support really keeps us going and helps some more learners find English the fun way.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and stay confident.